Okay, this is the final part of investigation 10. So I went through and I rolled and tallied up my numbers and had my daughter and tallied up her numbers. So then I add them together and see where I end up with. I'm just adding our numbers together. Like I said, your numbers will be different, and that's okay. This is just to help us understand. Okay, so as you see, the biggest numbers are toward the 13, toward the 7, kind of toward the middle, 6, 7, 8, 9 of our numbers, which is what we'd expect. There's more combinations of 2 dice that you can put together to equal up those numbers. So you would expect our biggest numbers to be in there. So let's look at, we have 2 questions left. Number 20 and number 21. Okay, so we have filled out our sheet, and now it's asking us which outcome occurred most frequently and why. Well, this is going to be different for everyone, but for me, the most frequent outcome was, they're very close. For mine, it was 9 and 7. Okay, my most frequents were, and so if I put 7 and 9 would be my answers. And the reason why is because the 2 dice, there are more combinations to add up to 7 and 9. Than there are for some of these lower numbers. Excuse me. Okay, number 21. 21. Which outcome occurred least frequently? Let's see. On mine, the least frequent was number 3. Excuse me. And the reason why would be the least. There are less combinations that equal up to 3. Okay, and number 22. What conclusions can you draw from the results of experiment 2? So what this showed us is the more combinations that you have of dice to add up to a number, the more likely that number is to happen. Okay, so let's see. The more combinations of outcomes to add up, the more combinations of outcomes to add up to a number equal more of that number. Let me see if I can word that a different way. The more combinations that add up to the outcomes number, so the more combinations of adding 2 dice together that can add up to it, the more likely that number is to occur. Okay, so that is the end of investigation 10. Thank you for sticking with me through all the videos. I know this one was a little harder to do virtually, but y'all did a great job. So the week 8, this is the end of the week 8 videos. You'll have your Tuesday work you've done, your Wednesday work you've done. We just did Thursday. You'll have Friday work. And then I'll need you to, once this is completed and signed by your parent, I'll need you to email or text me a copy of this sheet only. You don't have to attach all your work, just this sheet only. And it is due on Monday, March 30th. Hope you are all doing well. Miss you guys.